Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a foreign investment strategy with Charles Schwab. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a foreign investment strategy with Charles Schwab, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the research section of the website. Explore the Global Markets tab to understand current international investment opportunities. Review the economic outlook for specific countries or regions you are interested in. Identify investment products offered, such as ETFs, mutual funds, or individual stocks. Analyze the performance history of these products. Consider currency risk associated with foreign investments. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Use Charles Schwab's tools to create a diversified portfolio. Search for foreign equities or funds that align with your goals. Review fees and expenses associated with foreign investments. Open a foreign trading account if required. Check for any tax implications of investing in foreign markets. Execute trades through the trading platform. Monitor your investments regularly for performance and adjustments. Stay updated with global economic news and trends. Reassess your strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.